Okay, Americans consume an average of 1.31 cups of coffee per day. Assume the variable is approximately normal distributed with standard deviation of 0.15 cups. If a person is selected randomly from this population, what is the probability a person drinks more than 1.52 cups of coffee per day? Now, nowhere does it give us a Z score, the Z value. Nowhere does it refer to it being standard normal, which means we have to come up with the Z score, Z value. Remember that Z is equal to X minus mean over the standard deviation. Now, X will be the part that goes with your probability. And see down here it says, what is probably a person drinks more than 1.52 cups? So 1.52 is going to be our X. Minus our mean, and mean will pretty well either say mean or average, and this says average of 1.31. Divided by standard deviation, and standard deviation will say standard deviation, so it's 0.15. When you put this in your calculator, you should put parentheses around the top to force the order of operations to do that first. Or you can do them separate. I'll do them separate just so you see it. So 1.52 minus 1.31 gives us 0.21. So then I'll divide those two numbers. 0.21 divided by 0.15 gives us 1.4. Remember, 1.4 is the same as 1.40. And this problem says, what is probably the person drinks more than shaded to the right, because it's greater than. So we're going to have our 1.40 shaded to the right, which is a problem because our table is based upon the area to the left. Whenever it's shaded to the right, you always rewrite it as 1 minus it's shaded to the left, like that. And now it's in perfect form because my table is based upon the area left. So I'm going to look up this number here. Remember, we separated first part of the number here and last part. This is in the hundredths place, so this will be 0.00. So I'll look up 1.4, which is right here, 0.00, which is right here. The intersection of those, not that I can draw a straight line. I haven't been drinking. I don't drink at all. Just can't draw a straight line. So I have 1 minus 0.9192, and I'm not very good at decimals, so let me use Excel. I don't got a calculator on here. Equals 1 minus 0.9192.0808. And if you were taking that to percent form, you'd move your decimal point 2 places to the right and then round like normal.